Hello everyone, this is Tyva again, and in this tutorial tonight I'm going to show you guys how to create a silhouette of your kids' heads. So in this picture I'm just showing you guys these are the original pictures that I took of the kids. And this is the picture where I removed the backgrounds, and this is just a filter that I was playing around with. I'm very interested in using these pictures down here for a craft. I haven't quite figured out what craft I want to use them with just yet, but I definitely know how to do it when I'm ready. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys how I created a silhouette of my son's head. So we're going to go to this website. I'm going to include a link to this website in the description box. So please check the description box for very, very important information. Okay, so we're going to go here and I'm going to select the photo, and I saved it as my son's name. And we're going to open it. And now you see the bar is removing, so that's the original. And it was just that easy, you guys. Okay, so now I'm going to download it. Okay, and it actually saves it as a PNG. The next step I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Cricut, upload, browse. Just put in my son's name again. It's actually saved as review. Open it up. And since the background is already removed, we're just going to do simple. Click continue. Click continue again. And instead of saving it as a print and cut image, we're actually going to save it as a cut image. How cool is that? Okay, click save. Import it over. And here we go. So I'm going to show you guys, let me see. I'm going to go ahead and upload my daughters. I'm going to do, oops, not that one. I could have actually did it again, but we can do it one more time. Okay. So upload her. And since the background is not removed, I'm going to go to complex, so we can preserve as much as the picture. I'm going to select my selecting erase tool and just erase all the white. So it's actually pretty good that I actually did it this way so that you guys can see the multiple ways to do it. Okay. And she's actually facing the other way because of the shadow. Okay. So I have Trent's picture here. I have the white background instead of my background like Tyler's. I'm going to get my select erase, take out all of the white, save the cut image, click save. So now I have my girls. So what I did was, since she was faced the other way, all I did was just flip it horizontal, like so, and put her bust on the line and put Tyler, and they're actually this big. So this was how I actually determined how big I wanted. Tyler's just a little bit bigger, not much, than Trinity, like that. So how I wanted to do this was I just selected it all, and it gave me my width and my height. So because I have these three of my kids, I said I wanted to do a size and keep it kind of in perspective. See, that's 11, probably 11.5. But what I actually did was I did the height 3.5 to put on the candles. So I did my height 3.5, but if I would have did this 3.5, that 3.5, then all of them would have been the same size. So that's one of the reasons why I grouped them all together like this. So her shape is going to be 3.5, but then Tyler's is 2.852, and Trent's is 2.518, but it keeps the same dimension. So that's one of the reasons why I did it like that. So select all. So the largest picture is going to be 3.5. I go to make it and cut, and I actually cut the project on Oracle 631. And you can leave it at that, or you can just go ahead and attach it so it can all stay together. So you can do select all, attach, and go to make it. And there you have it, you guys. So you can cut this for whatever projects you have. Maybe you want to put them on canvas